Okay, good morning students. I hope you are well. Okay, beta. So I hope you are ready to see this new video. Now, can you find something on the screen? Okay, beta. If you can find something on this screen, you can find output at right side. So to explain this program, firstly you must know what is the meaning of this given output. Actually, in this output, I have shown a pie chart. Is that clear? So I think you know something about pie chart, but if you don't know, you can get something about this chart. Here beta, see on this chart. Pie chart is a circular chart in the form of circle. You can say pie chart is formed in the form of circle. यहाँ पर देखिए बेटा दो चीजें मेनली देख रहे हैं आप. Some activities are shown here at the arc. At the top of each and every arc, you can find one activity like sleeping, playing, eating, and working. Some activities are shown on the arcs, and some values are given at the slices, different slices of this circle. You can find that is 29.2. This is first one slice, then 8.3, 8.3, and 54.2. These are the slices. Okay, so it means we have to write a program in Python to form this type of chart, and this chart is called pie chart. Okay beta, so this is our target to form. Now see in programming portion, at line number 29, I have written some values for slices 7, 2, 2, 13. Can you find these values? And here beta, first value is 7, second value 2, third value 2 and 13. If we find sum of all these values, what will be the result? 7, 13, 20, 2, 2. That is total 24. It means here we have to display the portion of 7 in 24. Okay, in this pie chart we have to show this 7 in out of 24, then this 2 out of 24, this 2 also out of 24, and this 13 out of 24. It means what is the fraction of this 13 value out of 24 and what is the fraction of this 7 out of 24. Okay, that is what is the fraction of each and every value in total, that is to be represented by the slices in this circle. Okay beta, then activities which can be used to represent these slices, that is what is the fraction for these activities given in question. So that fraction for the activities will be represented by slices. So यहाँ देखिए some activities I have taken and slices values for slices I have taken. Okay beta, because on each and every slice you can find some values. On arc you can find activities. तो यहाँ एक्टिविटीज में हमने देखिए एक्टिविटीज की एक लिस्ट ले ली है, स्लीपिंग, ईटिंग, वर्किंग एंड प्लेइंग. दीज आर इन एक्टिविटीज लिस्ट. एंड स्लाइसेस लिस्ट में 7 2 2 13. These values you can change also. I will change when I will execute this program. That time I will change some value. Now one more list is there for colors. COLS is equal to CMRB. So this is for colors only. Okay beta. So here main role of activities and slices, that is these slices will be represented as the portion, as the fraction of this circle, and on that fraction labels will be displayed like activities. Okay beta. Now for this purpose at line number 33 we use a method. Name of that method is pie, and this function belongs to which module or which library? Name of that library is pyplot, and for module is pyplot and library is matplotlib, and plt is the other name of this module. Okay beta, so using this plt we can access methods of this library. So here plt.py we can use. So plt.py लिखा इस फंक्शन को. Using this function we can plot pie chart. Then some attributes are there. Some attributes which are passed in this function. Okay, because using these attributes, this function will perform some tasks on this chart. So now what is the function of these attributes, that is to be understood. Main goal is to understand what is the meaning of all these labels, all these parameters actually. What is the meaning of all these parameters of this pi function? Now let's start to explain these parameters. First parameter beta, slices. We have taken these slices, comma. Then next parameter, labels is equal to activities. So labels is equal to activities means we have taken some activities and those activities will be shown as label. Okay, as label those activities will be shown here. The next attribute, colors. Colors is equal to calls. We have taken calls is equal to CMRB. These values we have taken. So this list will be assigned to colors variable. Colors, not colors variable. Actually, these values are the attributes, or you can say these are the parameters of this function. Like label, this is parameter. Slices, also parameter, and color, also parameter for this. Okay, beta. And next parameter is start angle is equal to 90. The next parameter which we are passing here, that is start angle is equal to 90. So try to understand what is the meaning of 90. Actually 90 means in output you can see beta, first slice जो है, first slice start from 90 degree angle. देख रहे हैं बेटा, यहाँ पे देखिए एक vertical line you can find which is at a 90 degree angle. So it shows that starting of this chart, किस angle से chart start होगा. Now in our case that is 90. This can be changed, but better 90 degree. Next two more parameters which are now comment. So I will explain after this, after execution of this program. Okay, so now let's understand the parameter which is at line number 32. अभी मैं आपको 37 और 38 के parameter नहीं बता रहा हूँ. After this I will tell you. Before those parameters you should try to understand the meaning of parameter which is at line number 39. See beta, this parameter is auto PCT लिखा हुआ है, auto packed कह सकते हैं. Auto packed is equal to 1.1. What is the meaning of 1.1f? So its meaning exactly you can find when I execute this program. देखिए यहाँ पे जैसे values हैं 29.2, 8.3, 54.2. It means point के बाद केवल one value है. So this will be represented by this format %1.1f. Actually this is the format for these values. अगर हम इसको change कर दें, अभी देखिए जैसे मैंने execute किया, now see what is the result. The same result as you were watching before this. Same result you are getting. If I change value 1.1 like this, if I write here 1.2, it means after decimal you will get two values. देखो बेटा, now you can find 29.17, 8.33 like this. Okay, so now you have got what is the meaning of this parameter. Okay beta, start angle, if I change values of start angle now, suppose I write 45. now देखिए starting angle जो first slice है that will be started from 45 degree angle. देख रहे हैं बेटा, 45 डिग्री एंगल आपको मिल गया इसके लिए. स्टार्टिंग जो है वो फर्स्ट स्लाइस इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 45 डिग्री. और प्रीवियस आउटपुट भी आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे देखिए कहां से स्टार्ट हो रहा है 90 डिग्री. दिस डिफरेंस आई थिंक यू हैव गॉट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस. ओके बेटा, सो दिस इज बेटर 90 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री पे इसको वॉच करना बेटर है. Better to understand, we should start from 90 degree. Okay beta, but we can change it. Now two parameters are also there at line number 38. Explode is equal to 0, 0.1, 0, 0. To understand the meaning of this parameter, firstly we should see its output beta. Can you find some changes in this output? इस पे देखिए, एक जो एक्टिविटी है ईटिंग, दिस एक्टिविटी यू कैन फाइंड सम डिफरेंसेस इन दिस एक्टिविटी. सो नाउ दिस चेंज वी हैव गॉट बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सप्लोड एट्रीब्यूट. ओके, तो यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोड में मैंने फर्स्ट वैल्यू 0 है, सेकंड वैल्यू 0.1 है. एक्चुअली यहाँ पर इन दिस केस वी आर टेकिंग 4 पैरामीटर्स, सॉरी पैरामीटर, वी आर टेकिंग 4 वैल्यूज. ओके, 4 activities and there are 4 values to represent 4 activities. So that is in explode we can take only 4 values, okay, to represent each slice. तो यहाँ पे सेकंड स्लाइस के लिए 0.1 गिवन है, तो इस सेकंड स्लाइस आपकी इस फॉर्म में आ रही है. इफ आई राइट लाइक दिस 0.1 here also, then this effect you can see with first slice also. Now find this output. देख रहे बेटा, फर्स्ट स्लाइस के लिए भी आपको एक डिफरेंट आउटपुट मिल रहा है. इफ यू अप्लाई सेम थिंग फॉर थर्ड, then you can get this change in third slice. Is that clear? So similarly we can change values of the fourth slice. Fourth slice value can also be changed. So now you have got what is the meaning of explode attribute. Okay beta. अब जो यहाँ shadow is equal to true है, its meaning is simple very. Actually to show the chart in elegant way, that is in standard way for the display. Its display purpose, for its display purpose shadow is equal to true is used. देखिए, try to understand what is the meaning of shadow is equal to true. तो यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं है, केवल इसकी जो पार्ट है, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द पार्ट, उनमें थोड़ा सा एक कलर का चेंज आया है, लाइट, वेरी लाइट चेंज, बस, नो मोर डिफरेंस. दैट इज इट्स आउटपुट is not proper, which cannot be seen properly. The shadow is equal to true. This is the meaning. Simply shadow is equal to true का मीनिंग है कि एक जो स्ट्रक्चर आपको दिख रहा है उसमें थोड़ा सा चेंजेस आ जाएंगे हल्के से. जैसे आप ये देख रहे हैं 8.33 एंड ये जो ब्लू वन है, इसके बीच में देखिए कुछ डिफरेंस आपको मिल रहा है कंपेयर विद प्रीवियस आउटपुट. इस आउटपुट में देखिए यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा व्हाइट लग रहा है, यहाँ का जो व्हाइटनेस है दैट हैज बीन कन्वर्टेड इनटू कलर, बस दिस इज द डिफरेंस ओनली. ओके बेटा, इन एलिगेंट वे वी कैन फाइंड इट्स आउटपुट. फॉर दिस पर्पस शैडो इज इक्वल टू ट्रू इज यूज्ड. अदरवाइज इफ आई मेक दिस कमेंट, approximately output will be same. ओके बेटा, ये देखिए फोर्थ फ्रैक्शन में केवल लाइट में आप थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस पा रहे हैं, दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ शैडो इज इक्वल टू ट्रू. बाद में plt.title, the title interesting graph, check it out. Title you can find. Even for x and y level values can also be given here. Okay, for x and y level you can give. So by this time I hope you have got what is the exact meaning of this pie chart and how can we draw this chart. Okay beta, now watch this video. After this I will give you another question to form pie chart. Okay beta, thanks for watching this video.